Hold on to your seats, folks, because Samsung is not slowing down one bit when it comes to launching new tablets this year. Brace yourselves for the adrenaline-pumping excitement as they unveil not one, but two thrilling mid-range tablets, the Galaxy Tab S9 FE and the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. The anticipation has been building up, and now Samsung France has officially confirmed the existence of these incredible tablets. Imagine the thrill as they make their grand debut on the company's website, as spotted by the tech guru Roland Quan himself. This is not a drill, people. We are talking about the real deal. Let's dive into the pulse-racing details of the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Rumor has it that this powerhouse is going to rock a 12.4-inch display, packing a punch comparable to the Galaxy Tab S7 FE. But that's not all. Hold on to your hats. The Exynos 1380 processor will be running the show, outperforming the Snapdragon 750G in the Galaxy Tab S7 FE's Wi-Fi-only version and matching the speed of the Snapdragon 778G in the Galaxy Tab S7 FE's 5G version. It's like having a speed demon in your hands. Oh, and buckle up because the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is FCC certified, which means it's going to be armed with all the latest tech goodies. Picture yourself navigating the world with ease thanks to GPS, soaring on the wings of Wi-Fi 6 and effortlessly connecting with Bluetooth 5.3. But wait, there's more. Prepare for precise creativity with the included S Pen, and get ready to capture unforgettable moments with its fantastic dual-camera setup on the rear. And let's not forget the euphoric audio experience with stereo speakers that will transport you to a whole new world of immersive entertainment. Whether you choose the Wi-Fi-only SMX610 or the 5G SMX616B version, rest assured that you're in for an exhilarating adventure. So are you ready to take the leap into the future of technology? Brace yourselves for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and get ready to elevate your tablet experience to unprecedented heights. The countdown has begun, and soon, you'll be holding the ultimate power of innovation right in your hands. Peace out.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance.